and welcome on One India. You are watching What's Trending with me, Arushi Ranjan. I know we are coming here after so long because we were busy covering election news. You can watch election related stories on our channel. But today we are here and we are here to talk about a very trending topic, or shall I say a buzzing topic. And that is ये
और
और
ये
ही करता
करता
क्या
क्या
है?
है?
Yes, we are going to talk about viral internet personalities, especially Orhan Aftarmani, a person who randomly got viral on internet. And let me tell you, he's not the first one. Before him, many internet personalities has gone viral, like Priya Prakash Warrior, someone spotted in a cricket match, or like what's that? So beautiful, so elegant, just looking like a wow lady. She got viral on internet. There are many internet personalities going viral. So we'll discuss all of that about that. What's the reason behind it? Is it an agenda to make them viral, or they're just getting people's attention and going viral? I'll start with Ansh. I'm joined by my colleagues Ansh Pandey and Ishika Jaswal. We will discuss in depth about all of these viral internet personalities and what's the reason behind it. So Ansh, Orhan Aftarmani, a guy who is spotted with all the Bollywood celebrities these days, especially star kids, yeah, Ishika. What do you think that did he really get into public's eye on internet randomly, or was there an agenda behind it, the whole Bollywood's agenda or someone's agenda to make him famous and get into people's attention so that he goes viral on internet, because now he's also in Big Boss house?
Well, thanks Arushi. See, Michael Jackson once said, बहुत famous statement है उनका कि I am the last known star to the world. After me, there is no star. So actually, ये उनसे बोला गया था. He was asked about internet. So at that time, he had said that because of the internet, there will be many rising superstars.
Yeah,
But
indeed.
but yes, their rise will be very spontaneous, not for a long time. ठीक है?
Definitely.
Now this Ori, Orhan Aftarmani. Okay. Uh, the only known thing about him is कि he has connections with Bollywood. Okay. Uh, he works in Reliance. That's the only thing everybody knows.
Oh, that's
Okay.
new to
Yeah.
me.
as
Yeah,
manager
he
or
was.
something.
Huh.
Okay.
He is a manager. That's it. That's nothing more than that. People know about him, but still people don't believe that actual में इतना famous बंदा हुआ तो हुआ कैसे? So internet is definitely playing a good part here. Okay, and बहुत सारे बॉलीवुड स्टार के साथ उसने इमेजेस थी एंड just in a single pose, everybody.
Yeah,
Okay,
the
just in a
viral
very
pose.
single pose. Okay, only at that time the question started, and what exactly भाई ये बंदा आखिर है कौन? What exactly is he doing, and why is he with so many superstars? And he has gone so popular due to this that जो फिल्म सुपरस्टार्स है, जो फिल्म में स्टार्स है, वो उसकी पोस्ट पे आके कमेंट करें ना, दैट इज वेरी रेयर. ओके, so and now he's in Big Boss, definitely. So yeah, I don't believe he's planted, but yeah, but mostly internet has played a big part here. That's what I believe about him.
Definitely, it's all of the internet's role in this on making Ori viral. And also, I think psychologically there is a thing that if you watch constantly someone coming on, because everyone follows Bollywood stars, believe it or not. People nowadays don't say that I am a Bollywood fan, but most of the Indians are. They are following Bollywood star kids, especially. And if you watch someone constantly popping up on stories of Bollywood stars on feed, and then when Ori shares someone's picture, like I saw Tara Sutedia's picture he shared, and she reshared it, and many Bollywood stars do that. So if you'll constantly view someone on stories and all, then you will of course want to know who this person is, like how rich he is that he's hanging out with Bollywood stars. And he's not a Bollywood star, so that's a curiosity point which comes in people's mind, and they dig into it, and then they search, and someone goes viral. So as we were saying that he's in Big Boss house, right? I'm not following Big Boss Abhi, but I have seen some clips going viral of him talking to Salman Khan, and then him in the house saying that I am a liver. And also the t-shirt where it was written
I'm a
I am a
liver.
liver. So Ishika, as you're following Big Boss for now, like what is he doing exactly in the Big Boss house? And what I think is, when Big Boss OTT was there, it will come on next season also, then OTT makes sense to personalities like Ori, because
definitely.
because OTT and digital and internet personalities, they correlate. But on the main Big Boss, which is broadcasting on television, calling someone like Ori, what's the agenda behind this, and what is he exactly doing on it, Big Boss? I want to know that because I'm not following it.
I think he was just for 1 or 2 days in Big Boss house, and I think it's just for publicity.
Mhm.
If he wouldn't be seen with star kids, I don't think Ori would be in Big Boss right now. And his concept of I am living is definitely crazy. And I really want to know why he said this. I am living. If I'm a liver, I'm living. If I'm eating, I'm an eater.
Again,
So
a
this-
catchy line, I think, to
Pers-
grab attention.
Personally,
Grab
yeah,
attention,
yeah.
yeah.
Firstly, for grabbing attention, and second thing I believe is that, matlab, he wants to hide what exactly does he do.
Hide.
Yeah, most exactly.
And also, you need a tagline for yourself. Now,
Yeah.
like every advertisement
Like
company needs a
Salman
tagline.
Khan, I am.
The being human
Being
tag.
Being human,
Then
yeah.
his tag is I am a liver.
He's
I'm
a
a
liver
liver.
now.
What I think, like, I was going on Instagram and I saw a reel where a person was decoding why he is in Big Boss. And what that person was saying is that first, the Big Boss makers and the Bollywood people made him famous
Hmm.
by clicking pictures with him and
But to be honest, he just popped up suddenly.
Yeah, he just popped up suddenly. Yeah.
and then they bought him in Big Boss. Their main agenda was to
Grab
bring,
attention,
bring him in
publicity,
Big Boss. And also on Big Boss, he made a statement that he earns or he charges 20 to 30 lakh rupees per photograph. I'm
I
not
mean,
sure.
I want to be Ori's fan. I'm friend, sorry.
But he will charge money from you. That's what he said. That I
once
charge money.
Once I'll get famous, I'll be getting money then.
Yeah, but also like without doing anything, like if we take
Waste.
Ori, without he didn't do anything specific or anything informational on
Hmm.
internet. He just went viral, and there are many past viral personalities who went viral on the internet. Can you guys remind of someone who went viral on the internet? Like I remind of Priya Prakash Warrior, the blinking
That
girl.
blinking girl.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, she went
And
viral.
after that, she came in one movie also.
And actually, there also people were saying because they wanted to promote the movie, so they promoted that clip, and she became the viral internet crush and personality. Now, I'd like to ask you guys, what do you think, Ansh? How to go viral on internet?
Do something.
See, do something very, not a very great answer, but do something out of the box. Now, how out of the box? Either you can do something stupid. Now, either you can create something so, so what? I'm not getting exactly a word. कुछ ऐसा कि
Weird.
लोग एकदम बावले हो जाए उसको देखे कि okay, what is this? This is something
Yeah,
interesting,
unique.
like that, yeah.
Hmm.
Something unique, exactly, something unique. So you have two options now. Either you do something stupid out of the box, either you do something creative out of the box. By both ways, you get famous, but by the first way, you get famous at just one point of time. But after that, that goes away.
Away. As soon as someone else will.
Yeah, as soon as someone else comes up with something new. They're most like meme material people. Okay.
Yeah,
But like,
yeah,
definitely.
I think you guys have heard the name of Puneet Superstar. I think you guys have heard
Now
about him.
he's not that much.
No,
into
he's
internet.
not that much of internet
Yes,
sensation now. Yeah.
That's the biggest drawback of internet, that it is very spontaneous.
Hmm.
You go viral, but that's not gonna last long. For example, if someone
You are replaced when someone else comes.
yeah, definitely, that's true. What do you think? How to go viral on internet, Ishika?
Do something crazy. Something crazy is what
Crazy
people
as
love.
in? Crazy as in what?
Just like, oh my god, what was that line?
So beautiful, so elegant.
just looking like. People are literally using that in the serials, like in TV
Hmm.
serials.
Even biggest personalities are using this. Like recently, the Neeta Ambani and Mukesh Ambani
First
show
one is-
there happened, and Ranveer Singh was using that for Neeta Ambani to compliment him. So beautiful, so elegant, just looking like a wow. And you know what the other side of the story is? If we go serious about it, then that lady, her name is Jasmine Kaur,
Kaur.
if I am correct.
Yeah.
Yeah, so earlier what she was showing on her reels, it is only for 2,000 rupees, it is only for 3,000 rupees. And now when you visit her store, then her suits, her dresses cost 8,000, 9,000, 10,000.
Publicity.
This happened after her reel went viral. This happened after that. She had suddenly raised the price of it, and on every cloth she has a tag going on. Wow. Yeah, yes, guys, as I was saying, let's go serious about it. Do you think that because of these viral things, going viral without doing anything, internet is a place where we can learn a lot of things? Especially when I talk about Instagram. So on Instagram nowadays, only 10% of the content is informational. other than that, all the content are just for entertainment, humoristic, and memes going on. And that too, if I say, it doesn't make especially sense to me personally. Ki so elegant, so beautiful, and just one reel pops up and everyone is following it. Senseless. So, what do you think, guys? What do you guys think? Ki, because of these internet personalities going viral without doing anything and people's attention going on that side, the main motto of internet, the main motto of digitalization is fading away, which is education, which is information, which is making our youth stand equally to other nations' youths. What do you think?
Exactly. Actually, jo that lady, that looking wow like lady, actually she was promoting her content. Like, she
Yeah.
was promoting her shop,
Huh.
but what memesters do that they just cut that
Cut.
one single clip and then that just go viral. Now actually that's something that is indeed happening, and the real motive of internet is actually fading away. That's what I believe too. Okay.
But एक अच्छी बात ये है कि she got मतलब पहले से कोई देख नहीं रहा था, but after this line got viral, now everybody is watching.
हाँ that's true, लेकिन आपने उसके बाद शॉप के प्राइस कितने बढ़ा दिए?
Huh.
But wasn't that the exact motive?
That was exactly the motive.
What a marketing technique!
That's
guys.
marketing.
What a
That's a great
technique.
marketing technique,
The
ladies and
business
gentlemen.
schools
Here,
are missing this. Please add this in your chapter. This marketing
I
technique
think
going
all the
viral on
marketing
internet.
brands should use this.
And you know what? Even though she's pricing her clothes so much, people are visiting it. People are buying her
And the
clothes.
special thing about is this कि उनके पास, can you imagine, हर size के कपड़े हैं. This is the biggest point in her like brand.
You're talking with size
Yeah,
clothes,
yeah,
which
yeah.
brands
Oversized,
usually
yes,
don't
especially.
sell. Yeah. That's a positive side. I
That's a
would
positive
say.
side, yeah.
That's a good thing. In Ori, I'd like to go back to the topic.
Okay.
Orhan
Alright.
Akhtarmani. In his case, what I think is people are getting more curious about him because a factor comes rich. He seems like very rich, but what he does, nobody knows. So I think the middle class or lower middle class people want to know that how to go viral on internet. He doesn't, like, what does he do? It's so rich. I think that's a factor. Hanging out with Bollywood celebrities, it's not usual for everything. We would end our show here. So that was what we think about the viral internet personalities. I think if you are getting fame as well as you are getting money by doing something crazy and going viral on internet, why not just go for it and do it and keep watching our show What's Trending. We will be active from now onwards. Thank you so much for watching.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.